want to start by saying shout out to my micro bladed brows. Y'all, I got these done in 2019. 10 out of 10 recommend, okay? The lashes, did it myself. Anyway, let's get right into the video. If you are new here, welcome. Now's a great time to subscribe. Y'all know if you are already a part of Sunflower Gang, hey family, okay? I am teaming up with Westkiss to show you their Vpart unit. Now, typically they give me a ton of goodies for the most part. I love the satin bag. The box is always super sturdy. They gave me a ton of things to actually install, like a wig, because they also sell lace wigs, frontals, closures, all of the things. But today I'm going to be looking at their 22-inch body wave Vpart unit, which, okay, that was a mouthful, right? There are clip-ins, clip-in combs installed. There's also an adjustable cap. There's plenty of space, and I found that it fit pretty snug. I also got an elastic band, as you guys were able to see, so I was able to kind of tighten it up, but you guys will see that. Now, the one thing that I love about Vpart units and the way that they are created, you see this lace that's going all the way around. That's going to help you blend your hair, and then of course, just so that in case, you know, in the event you want to return it or anything, that is their security. So you just cut that part off. They did pre-style this, so we got some juicy curls. All I had to do was literally pop this baby on and go. So I ended up recording this video twice because of course here we got a nice soft wave look. It was cool, but for some reason I just felt like, Chrissy, come on, we got to really get into it. So I switched up the environment, went into my bathroom just because the lighting was a little bit different. I also have not applied like any semi-permanent color to my hair at all. And like, it's been a minute since I dyed it jet black sometime last year. That was right before the micro blades, oh my God, the micro links, which I have been talking about in almost every video. Y'all, okay, just know I just recently did a how to silk your hair or silk press update natural hair. I don't know what I'm going to title it yet. Anyway, I have done a natural hair update, just recorded that a couple days ago. And so yeah, baby, it's time to lay it down. All right, y'all gonna help me. But for now, the hair has already started to revert back. We're on our way to a little fro, which is fine. Y'all, my hair is actually really fine. I know that it looks super thick and all that, but the individual strands are really fine. And so I tend to lean towards more of like that blunt cut, one length, just so that my hair looks even fuller than this. I also usually love to do some type of silky, natural black hair color just to give my hair a little bit more life, because it does have that, like, I want to say it's a real 1B, and it's almost like a little ashy for some reason, okay? And then I have those little spots that got a lighter brown, which you guys can see here. So I was already kind of nervous because I'm like, dang, like I really don't want to have to apply color just to install this Vpart wig. So I'm going to show you a trick today that is going to help you out, because I'm pretty sure this has happened to y'all too. So all that I'm going to be doing, I'm not going to take my time and braid this down. This is for you girls that are in a rush. You just woke up, 6 o'clock, you got to be at work, 8 o'clock. I get it, right? How can you get out the door without having to wear that wig every single night? If your hair is already pretty much blown out, pressed out, you should at the very least be able to pull it back into a bun just near the nape of your neck, right? We're not going to use a ponytail holder because obviously we don't want to cause breakage, but I will encourage you to get a full braid down if you're going to be wearing this for 2, 3, 4 days, 5 days on end. And then some, okay? If this is going to be a sew-in, let's make it sewed in, all right? But if you are looking for something that's really quick, like I said, it does have the combs, the clips. You can slide this baby on and off at night. You can still wrap your hair if that makes you feel comfortable. Literally all the things. So I'm just pulling my hair back. I did actually use a little bit of edge control just to kind of help tame everything and make it a little bit easier. And then, of course, I'm just going to do one chunky, what do y'all call it? A plait? A dookie braid? Why do we call it a dookie braid? Y'all help me understand. Anyway, I'm just gonna do a little braid at the nape of my neck, and it is a little thick now. Okay. Now, the saving grace in this situation is because the Vpart unit is body wave. Having that little wave and that curl in it is not gonna make me not having my hair as flat as freaking possible work out. I promise y'all, trust the process, okay? I'm gonna use a ton of bobby pins just to pin it into place. I'm telling y'all, literally this video is so short, okay, small, but it pack a lot of power. Simply for this reason. Had I taken 25 minutes to braid this down, we would have still been talking going into 30 minutes. So who is we? Me, okay? Anyway, so I just went ahead and opened up the little clips, and I'm literally just going to slide it in. Now, I did ask myself, like, how comfortable is this going to be over time? Y'all, when I do my hair, and this is even when I worked in like corporate America, I would do my hair for the day. The moment that I step in the house, go use the restroom, that hair is coming off as the shoes, socks, all of the things. Like literally, y'all, that's kind of sad. I don't know. But I'm one of those people, okay? The hair is going to come off. So if you feel like you need to really braid this down, I am again encouraging you to do that. But if you are like me and need something quick, girl, this is the go-to. Now look at these curls. First of all, the hair density, the texture, super soft. The one thing that you will notice throughout this entire video is how much I touch this hair, because it is just that soft, okay? No lie. I did want to go ahead and just add a few face framing layers. I did not do this all the way around the head, just in the front, so that at least my hair and that very tip top can blend. If you guys have not seen me cut layers, I usually start from the bottom of my chin, go in a diagonal motion with that razor comb, and I just drag it on down. Now you see my arm going back and forth, back and forth. I'm going to show you this again on the other side. If you just drag that razor comb all the way down in one smooth motion, you will be all set. If you're scared to do it section by section. I get it. But yeah, it's kind of hard to mess this up, especially when the hair is this long. So somebody else has asked me how tall I am, just to be able to like reference the hair lengths and all that. Girl, I was about to say 22 inches. Oh my God. I am 5'2". And so this hair is 22 inches, which does come to like my butt. If you want something that's a little bit shorter, I would say go for like a 16 or 18. Trim off that bottom, get that little blunt cut going. Ooh, girl, you got something working. And honestly, I was thinking of cutting this into a bob originally, but when I saw how pretty and soft the hair was, I'm like, well, first of all, Chrissy, you should have just asked for a shorter length if that was the case. And number two, I was like, no, this hair is way too cute. So all that I did was just freshen up one little section of curls. I used my EAP heat, 1-inch flat iron, and y'all, look at that. Super soft. Did not have to spend 30 minutes curling this. Like, the shipping was on point, and I know sometimes y'all feel like it's because we are influencers. I have ordered wigs from this company personally and have gotten them on time, no issues, and all of that. Now, granted, I don't know if they knew it was me, but hey, I'm just being a champion and a cheerleader for the service, all right? Now, you guys can see a little bit more here where my hair is more of that like reddish dark brown, and maybe that's where I get that kind of ashy tint, right? Because if you mix red and brown, there's a lot of different colors going on, okay? So I'm embracing what my natural hair color looks like these days. So let me show you how to still get it to at least blend a little bit with the weave. Now, you actually have two options. I'm going to take a little bit of light holding edge control that got a little wax on it. It is going to weigh my hair down, but that's what we want. Anytime that I apply edge control to my hair, it actually changes the color, weighs it down a little bit. I can easily blend it with the weave. When I say easily, y'all, come on now. I typically go for a yucky straight or a kinky straight texture just based off of my hair texture. So this is a lot softer, but you guys can see how when I take the bristle brush and I just smoothed everything in, it kind of helps with the blending. If the color was on point, like a perfect match, I feel like this would have been even better. Now, pro tip. The option number two, if you have some leftover clip-ins or even some like wefted hair that you have not used, throw a little clip in on that. If you have not already, you can glue it in, you can sew it in right in between your natural hair, or leave out even less hair than I just did. So maybe like a pencil width of hair, because that lace is there. It's going to help with the blending and all of that. You brush your hair over and boom, you got yourself some nice, cute hair in under 15 minutes. All right. Now, the makeup part, we can't talk about all that right now, okay? But I do have a 10-minute makeup routine. If you guys are not already following me on Instagram, definitely make sure to follow me there. TikTok, y'all, I finally gotten to it, okay? So thank you for all of my new followers on TikTok. We are at 300K on YouTube. Instagram, we are here live. I'm so proud of myself, honestly. The consistency, the things, right? So I have a few more things that I want to do to this actual unit, but Westkiss, you have done it again, okay? And I just love the fact that you guys have now added that custom feature of like the curled hair. Like, that was genius. I don't even have to worry about washing it and resetting it and all that. So if you guys, wanted to stop there, you could. If you are somebody that feels like, girl, I can't handle all that hair in my face, I want to kind of open it up, but you just want a little side part, but not really a side part. That was another style option. And then, of course, if you are somebody that just wants all of your beautiful face to be showing and everything's kind of pulled back out of the way, or honestly, I'm giving y'all day 1 hair, 2, 3, and 4 all in one video, low key, high key, okay? Because the more product you apply, the more oil, the more all of that, your hair will start to get weighed down. So probably about day 4, if you had this like plan for a style, you would definitely be pulling that hair behind the ear by now. And if you do this on day 1, girl, that is up to you as well, okay? I like to style my little edges, and boom, we are in the game. I'm very curious to know what you guys think about this. I am so grateful and appreciative to you guys. Again, if you are new here, welcome. If you have made it to the end of this video and you are still not subscribed or have not thumbs it up, what are you doing? Okay, show a little love, grace, and appreciation for your girl. I love y'all so much. Stay pretty. Y'all know I gotta goof off just a little bit, okay? I love y'all. Stay pretty. I'll see y'all in the very next video. Bye, y'all.